Hello friends, welcome to my next video tutorial of Sketchup Pro 2017, and in this particular video I'm gonna show you how to use the line. So you can see here the line tool, the shortcut is L. Pressing L from your keyboard you can go to line tool, and you can see here this is the version of this 3D model, and selecting this man you can press delete to delete, and to draw any line take this line tool, and you can start from any arbitrary location on this X and Y plan. So click here. So the first point has started, and now you can see when you move the line which is black mean it is in an arbitrary angle, but if you want to make it parallel to the green line, then it is, now you can see the green line. And it is very important when you drawing any line to make them parallel to any axis. So if you want to draw any line, then click the next point, and now if you go to along x-axis you can see here when black it is an arbitrary angle, and when this is red is parallel to the x. Now click here, then go to the next along the green axis, and you can see here when you just parallel to the point it is a red dot line which is parallel to x. And now if you click here, so the length of this line is equal to this line, and now you can click here, you can see this is perpendicular endpoint and which is parallel to x. So when you click this one you can see here there is a automatic surface. So when you draw anything in Sketchup close, then it will create a surface for you. And now to select the surface or the line, click this select tool, press this spacebar to turn on the select tool. Now you can select either face or any line or any edge you can see, and also you can select this way. If you drag the mouse from left to right you can select the only one object, and if you drag from right to left you can select all the crossing object in the selection window. So this is similar to the AutoCAD, and by selecting any object and pressing shift you can see here a plus and minus sign. You can select any object or deselect any object or by clicking on them, and by selecting any object or selecting any surface and pressing delete you can delete them. Select this one, delete, and or by selecting this way or either this way you can press delete. And you can draw any arbitrary length line, and also you can draw any specific length line. Take this line tool, take any point, now go to along the y-axis and say 10 feet, and you can see here the command is continue until you press yes. See, the command will continue to draw a line, then press 10 feet again to draw the line along x-axis. Then this way, if you face difficulty to go to along any axis, then you can use your left, right and up down key in from the keyboard. So if you press the upper key it will turn on the G axis, which is the Z axis vertical. If you click this left arrow then it will turn on the green, which is Y, and if you press the right arrow it will turn on the X axis. So you can use this trick to turn on any axis. Now go to here this way and write 10 feet, enter, and now you can select this, and you can see here this is a face. Now if you go to click this point, and if you go to along Z axis and press 10 feet, enter, you can see the 10 feet. And if you go to now along Y, and if you just keep your mouse this way you can see here the connecting dotted line which is blue. Now you can click here and then click here. So though we have drawn 3 face, it is counting this as another S. Now it is drawing a face here, and this way you can draw line here. If you just keep your mouse here this way you can draw a line now here, and now click here and go up. Now you can see here this is the 10 feet line here, done. And now click this and this 2 point, and you can see this is a 3D box. So Sketchup is working this way. If you take this select tool and click on any face it will be selected, and if you triple click on any object then it will select the whole object altogether. So this is the way of using line. You can draw anything on any plan and with an arbitrary length or with a fixed length. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.